Hi, this is Gina, and welcome to my channel. I am so happy to participate in Gwen the Trash Witch hashtag Flip It Friday. Okay, a few months ago, my sister got me started with magazine collages, and now I'm hooked. A little embarrassed, look at my piles of magazines. And when I go to the doctor's offices, I pick up more. I think I went a little crazy with magazines, but is anyone out there like me and has way too many magazines? One of the things I wanted to do with all these magazines is make collages. I'm not sure, but is that called a glue book? Someone can help me out there. I also found this wonderful journal. It has blank pages on it, and look what it says on the outside, be creative. Okay, let's get started with my flip through. So please grab your cup of coffee, your cup of tea, and sit back and relax. Okay, here's the first page. And I do like all the graphics that magazines provide, and they have these wonderful sayings. So what I try to do is keep within the theme. I love using the words or the statements that they make in magazines, so I added them to this glue book as well. So these graphics were from last year's magazine. So I guess I've had magazines, I started collecting a long time ago. But look at all the fun sayings, the very unique pumpkins as I turn the pages. These larger pumpkins I made by just drawing a pumpkin and then using different type of scrapbook paper just to give it some creativity. Another thing I like to do when I do collages, I don't like to leave any white space, so I try to fill up everything within one page. Some of the things that I like to cut out are stairways and cowboy hats. And you might notice this really cool piece of carpet in front of the house. I thought that added creativity too. These next two pages are about being artistic and very creative. A lot of the pretty graphics on these pages came from New Mexico brochures or magazines like Welcome to Our State, so I loved all the color in those graphics, so that's what I added to these two sheets. I really like these graphic mountains, and then the saying, let's move mountains, and then these two lovely ladies that say we know each other so well, and birds of a feather. For the remaining pages, I am just going to set it to music until we get to the last two. What I did here was I used phrases from the magazines that kind of flowed and had some kind of connection. I wanted it to be a little bit different, so I put different colors of watercolor paint so the phrases would be in their individual group. I hope that makes sense. Okay, I'm just going to set it to music to the very end. So that is it. Thank you for staying all the way to the end. And I want to thank Gwen for hosting this hashtag. And please look at all the other channels. There's so much creativity. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And I hope you have a wonderful weekend. Bye-bye.